Oh my god, it's actually stopped raining. Lily, this is the table. This is not your bed. You don't care, do you? You just don't care, do you? Fatto? Have we fed the kiddies and forgotten about you again? Oh dear, would you like some food? I have not left the house for a week today, pretty much, and we really have no food left, so we're going to go to the next village, Canon G7x, and do a little bit of food shopping and get a new tap bit, whatever it is that he's been dismantling all morning. They said it was going to snow today. You're going to get so wet. Come on. It snowed up on the top of the mountains. Whether it will snow down here is another matter. That's our empty shopping bag. That's how we carry the shopping down. My old rucksack that has been around the world twice with my brother, and now it's our shopping bag. Looks like there's been a bit of a little landslide here. That's what happens when it does not stop raining for days and days. And it's starting to rain again. See, that's why we put your little coat on, keep you dry. While we hike to the car. It takes about 15 minutes to get from the house to the car. Oh, those days back in England when I could park outside the front door. So we were going to go to the supermarket, but there's a huge queue for the tiny car park, and it's pouring with rain, so I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to the fruit and vegetable shop, the fishmongers, and then the butchers. It is so cold out there. It's like England cold. Anyway, I had all the intentions of taking you shopping with me and going around the fruit markets and the fishmongers and stuff, but one, it's pouring with rain, freezing cold. I had an umbrella in one hand, I had the dog lead in the other hand, shopping bags as well. It was just impossible. So anyway, I've done the shopping. I accidentally bought these as well, which I'm now tucking into. I'm not going to eat it all. I will give the rest to Carlo. It's the beautiful, lovely day. I've also got these stickers for my kayak with my Instagram username on. A little bit of self-promotion there, but also if my kayak gets swept away, somebody might be able to send it back to me or find me and let me know. And now just remains to get all this down nearly 500 steps. This one is really heavy, so we have to organise everything weight-wise so that nobody's carrying too much and nobody's carrying not enough.
Sarà almeno 30 kg. In realtà non ero bagnato veramente.
I've just bought a whole load of new fruit and vegetables, and I've got some old stuff here. So I'm gonna put them in the juicer. Let's get rid of them. And there we have it, a litre, well, a bit less than a litre, I've drunk a bit. Fresh apple, pear and kiwi juice and orange. So basically yesterday, Carlo, when he was walking up home from work, found two umbrellas thrown on the mountainside, as people do, and so he gathered them up to bring them home and throw them away. But when he got home, he found three more umbrellas, And he started thinking. So now he is making something with the umbrellas. Let's go and see what he's doing.
È che quando c'è il vento, qualsiasi ombrello si distrugge. Ho pensato di recuperarli, possiamo fare qualcosa di utile. Ho una grande idea. Dopo vi faccio vedere.
Let's see if we can find any more broken umbrellas first of all.
Nel video? Ah, stai facendo il video?
Non
sapevo, scusa.
Didn't think there's any umbrellas up here.
Allora, ho preso 5 ombrelli. No, this is okay.
Good. This is my umbrella. We're not cutting that to pieces.
Ho preso 5 ombrelli vecchi, rotti.
Now he's going into the rubbish. Ah, okay.
A cut?
Cut.
Cut? No, cut sembra gatto.
Chop. No, cut. Cot. Cot.
Ho usato questi,
Good.
molto importante. Ho preso l'ombrello, ho messo qua sotto
Okay.
e...
Oh, is this new, this machine?
Yeah, it's new.
Okay.
È tutta nuova. Questo taglia anche il ferro, taglia tutto.
Okay. That cuts iron as well. Well, welcome to Carlo's little... Oh! Bloody hell. His little man cave. It is an absolute state. Every time I come in here and I want a simple hammer, I cannot find one anywhere. I can never find anything in this place.
No, so che non è molto ordinato, ma...
But he knows where everything is. Questi vengono attaccati su questo pezzo di legno?
Non così, non in questa posizione.
No, però facciamo in ordine di colore?
Sì.
Con il più scuro andando al più... That's better. In color order. What's this wood from?
Questa?
Ah,
Di una vecchia porta. Adesso la cosa che vogliamo sapere è quanto grande deve essere questo. Giusto.
I don't know if we actually explained what we're making. He's making a coat hanger. No, not a coat hanger. A coat rack. That's what they're called. It's cold today, isn't it? Isn't it cold?
Oh Dio, ma che cazzo di freddo!
Looks like these plants are regenerating. I thought they'd all died off. They all went orange at the end of the year. But they seem to be going green again. Is that what you were barking at? That naughty cat is taking Daddy's donuts. Oh. Sì, gatto!
No, questo è mio! Dov'è quel bastardo di gatto?
Corso via!
Stronza! Che vuoi tu? Questo è mio.
Where's that cat hiding now? Oh, it's starting to snow. Oh, it's definitely snowing. Yeah, that's just what I need, fall in the pool.
Sempre gli occhiali di protezione, mi raccomando.
I'm just going to turn around because it is snowing.
Come potete vedere c'è il laser qua, eh? Ok, adesso dobbiamo controllare se è uscita la vite da dietro. È uscita?
No,
Ok.
just come inside for a bit and my camera's gone all misty. Temperature difference. Let's wait a second, shall we? My waterproof Uggs were not cutting it with the cold. So I've just put my hiking boots on. Anyway, I've had to come in for a minute because it's just too cold out there. Basically, I know it's not that cold, it's 1 degree, so it's really not bad, but here, we're not equipped for that. So I don't have the right snow boots and the proper heavy winter coat, and I don't even have gloves, I've just got these. All the stuff that I do have is in England. I don't bring it here because you just don't normally need it here. Normally, I think the lowest it gets to is 7 degrees maybe, and that's only rarely, once or twice in the winter, but it's down to 1 today, and it's supposed to go down to -3 or -4 tomorrow, so that'll be interesting. Come on, you want to brush? You should come here. You brush too. You said gloves, hat, warm boots, going back out there. The snow didn't last very long. The sun's now come out and it's lighting up the tops of the mountains.
Vediamo se ci va.
Vediamo.
Sembra che va perfetto.
Ok, adesso togli il giubbotto. Prendilo. Yay! No more jackets on the back of the chairs. Perfect. And then in the summer, the coats will all go in the cupboard and it'll be just an empty... Oh, we can put all our beach bags there.
Ci mettiamo il pantaloncino all'asciugamano.
Sì. Perfetto. And Holly's coat goes there too. And that's how you recycle old umbrellas.
You came in my life.